In a decisive move to bolster national security amid rising tensions in East Asia and the surge in unmanned aerial systems, South Korea has revealed a breakthrough in surveillance technology. On April 17, 2025, the country's Agency for Defense Development, ADD, showcased a live demonstration of a next-generation radar system that merges photonic technology with artificial intelligence, aimed specifically at detecting small drones from several kilometers away. The newly tested system diverges sharply from traditional radar mechanisms. Rather than emitting standard electromagnetic waves, this radar utilizes modulated light-based signals, known as photonics, to achieve sharper resolution and heightened resistance to jamming. These light-based signals allow for much finer detection, even of drones with minimal radar cross-sections that typically evade standard detection methods. What truly sets this innovation apart is its AI-powered processing suite. Embedded algorithms analyze radar input in real time, allowing the system to distinguish miniature airborne targets even in visually noisy environments such as urban landscapes or mountainous terrain. Though military officials declined to share exact range figures or drone sizes involved in the test, citing operational secrecy, the system's performance reportedly met or exceeded expectations for long-distance drone detection. Launched in 2022, this project is a direct response to a growing threat landscape. South Korea's security apparatus has increasingly encountered unauthorized drone activity along the demilitarized zone and in contested maritime territories. From espionage attempts to test incursions, these low-flying, hard-to-spot aerial devices pose serious risks to national security infrastructure. Optical and infrared sensors often fail to detect such small, fast-moving drones, hence the urgent push for more sophisticated radar solutions. The released imagery from ADD offers a glimpse into the system's architecture, showing how photonic modules interface with AI analytics and real-time tracking interfaces. While production timelines and deployment schedules remain undisclosed, this field test marks a significant achievement toward operational readiness. This technological leap signals South Korea's ambition not just to protect its skies, but to emerge as a key innovator in the evolving field of counter-drone warfare. As global military powers like the US, China, and several NATO allies race to develop radar systems capable of navigating drone-heavy airspaces, Seoul is making its own strategic mark by investing in autonomous, high-resolution detection tools. Beyond its immediate defense applications, the project could also boost South Korea's standing in the international defense market. Mastery of AI-integrated photonic radar places the country at the forefront of next-gen surveillance technologies, where precision, discretion, and adaptability are paramount. Ultimately, this test affirms South Korea's readiness to confront the aerial challenges of the future. By blending cutting-edge optics with intelligent processing, the nation is equipping itself with the tools needed to identify and neutralize threats that would otherwise slip through conventional defenses.